my wife, she had a vision to transform our dream home. V Decor really helped to transform that vision to reality. When someone enters the home, my wife had a vision like Buddha should be there. Behind Buddha, the background should be something different. She saw a lot of video, but she wanted something unique. That's where V Decor Sohan Bhai, he proposed like color combination.
Golden and white color combination.
So technically he implemented nicely. It's there to see in the reality. She spends a lot of time worshipping Lord Jagannath, and we had a vision to transform our temple in such a way we will not miss much the Puri Jagannath temple. I think V Decor really transformed the puja unit nicely. The best thing about V Decor is they listen to us. They take our idea, they transform that vision into reality. In spite of using all the branded material, their quotation is really reasonable. That's what I really like about in this competitive market. We wanted our home simple yet stylish but unique. At the end, we got what we wanted. Thanks a lot, V Decor. Thank you, Sohan Bhai.